Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to link your Fortnite account and your Epic Games account to Twitch. Really easy to do. You can do this on your phone. It doesn't have to be done on a computer or anything like that. So you guys want to head over to your web browser and head over to epicgames.com. And you just want to log into your Epic Games account here. And once you have that done, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then from here, you want to click on your account. So just above where it says available on PC and Mac only, just click on the account. And then you guys can click on account there. And then once you're here, just click on the back button and you'll see that there is tons of different options here: payments, transactions, password security. You just want to go to connections. And then once you're on there, you want to click on the accounts tab, scroll down, and you'll see Twitch as an option here. You just want to click on connect. Just give that a second, and then you say link account. It's going to open up another page here to Twitch. And then here's where you just log into your Twitch account. I already have my Twitch account hooked up to another one, but you just log into your Twitch account here, and then it would ask you to allow it, and then you'll be connected completely. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.